This is simply unbelievable. To allow people in Pakistan to enjoy delicious canned food, this humble small workshop in Pakistan has started producing affordable high-end food-grade cans all on its own. The metal sheets with printed designs in front of us are the raw materials for making the cans. The workers begin by placing the metal sheets into a grinding machine. The grinder quickly smooths the edges of the metal sheets to prepare them for welding. After the edges are smooth, the metal sheet is then fed into a slitting machine, where multiple parallel cutters slice the sheet into standard width strips. This step requires the metal sheet to be positioned tightly against the left side of the machine, ensuring the cuts are parallel and straight. Although the workshop looks simple and the equipment is modest, the printed designs on the cans are impressively high-end. At this point, two large muscular men are responsible for moving the materials. Next, the cut metal sheets are placed into a manual roll forming machine. The worker uses a handle to operate the rollers, bending the sheet into a cylindrical shape. After that, the metal cylinder is transferred to the welding station. The worker aligns the edges and places it into a roller welder. The machine uses upper and lower rollers to create overlapping sealed weld lines that bind the metal together. Since the welding current and cylinder pressure are preset, the worker only needs to load and unload the material. In less than 2.5 seconds, the body of the can is welded together. The welded can body is then conveyed down a fully automated gravity conveyor. Moving to the next station. Here the worker places the can body into a flanging machine. The high-speed rotating flanging wheels press the ends of the can body to create flanged edges. These flanged edges are essential for attaching the bottom and top of the can later on. Meanwhile, on the other side, another worker is preparing the bottom of the can, using a punch press and a mold to stamp out a dish-shaped bottom from a circular metal sheet. This design not only makes it easier to attach to the can body, but also strengthens the structural integrity of the can. We can see how skillfully the worker operates. They can stamp out tens of thousands of bottoms every day to ensure the bottom fits smoothly with the can body. The edge of the can bottom is also placed into the flanging machine. The roller applies pressure to create a concave flange around the edge. Next, the worker, barefoot oddly, places the can bottom into the can body. This process doesn't seem very clean or hygienic. Hopefully it can be improved in the future. After that, the worker places the entire can into the flanging machine. The roller ensures the edges of the can body and bottom are tightly pressed together. This ensures a strong seal without any issues. The same process is used for the top of the can. The pre-stamped can lid is placed onto the body. Then it is sealed tightly by the flanging machine. The entire process is very fast, but even experienced workers sometimes make mistakes. If they mess up, their pay is directly docked. After a series of coordinated actions by the workers, these good-looking high-end food-grade cans are produced quickly. Once matched with the appropriate sized lids, they are ready to be sent to the canning workshop to be filled with convenient, tasty food. So after watching the entire process, what do you think of these cans? Do you think the production process is efficient enough to meet the demand for high-quality, affordable cans for people in Pakistan?